best gift for me on birthday, please keep your own mind, your own heart more compassionate, more sort of spirit of seriously or genuinely sense of concern of others' well-being. And with that sort of motivation, if possible, serve other, helping other people, also other animal. If you do not have the opportunity to serving, then at least restrain harming them. So, all my friends and actually brothers and sisters, please keep in your mind, rest of your life, more compassionate life. Then that's the best sort of present of my birthday.
Hello everyone, Namaste, Tashi and welcome back to my channel Dalai Lama blog. It's me, Smiling Lama from Pokhara. And guys, so today is very auspicious day, and today is very special day for our Tibetan people. That, as everyone know, that today is July 6th, our beloved and respect His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama birthday. So today is, and guys, so firstly I would like to wish happy birthday to His Holiness. May you live long life and always in good health, His Holiness. And so if you want to wish to His Holiness birthday, so please don't forget to write comment and wish to happy birthday to His Holiness. And so today actually I have not any special video because in Nepal still lockdown, and so that's why today I just want to share to you all that I'm sure maybe someday didn't know about His Holiness, maybe, yeah, because in my subscriber Tibetan people and Nepali and also English. So that's why today I just want to tell and I want to show you some small video clip of His Holiness Dalai Lama, and then also some photos to you all. So it's like my birthday wish or birthday gift to His Holiness Dalai Lama. And so so hope you liked this video. And then one thing I want to tell you that actually in Tibetan they have many festivals every year, maybe I think 10-15 times, like a festival, many festival. But for me, one of my best festival is today, so July 6th, but this time we miss it. Actually, if not lockdown, so we can celebrate His Holiness birthday with our Tibetan people and all our Hmong Tibetan people. We all together celebrate, but now it's lockdown, so we cannot celebrate. And then so today I just come in my YouTube channel because it's especially to you all my Tibetan subscriber that today is very special day for us. So that's why, so here I share you some the videos and photos also, but some videos and photos this is I want to share to my my subscriber who did not know about His Holiness Dalai Lama. Okay, so hope you like this video. And then if you want to see 2 years before, I will write in my description, so you can see our Tibetan people and how we celebrate His Holiness birthday. So you can see in my description. So it's 2 years before, so it's really enjoying. So it's my best festival in like in the world. Yeah, my best festival is in this today, so July 6th. So it's Tibetan, we call it Tungar. Okay, so now I need to speak a little bit in Tibetan. Ringi number 2 changmal touch tele ani tring ngarangita subscriber number 2 changmal ani konsa chongku Tungar nimala changmal samde data sidele thami shu antene ta talo dinayang ani ngazo Tungar di ngoma nang singita jungyo marata tanda nazadi chidang Nepal la tanda kyapte yure anti chine ta tanda ngal mix video di chungma song anti chine ta nyege tada mix tanda subscriber na chu che to ram 이게 나랑 기타 konsochoki video chikdang ani kupar khasi ani ngarangi relation anna basolo phugi yu ani changmala to yu rewa yu ani ta konsochoki sunga nang sing aso sangche dang mone mila semba sangbo dang ani sosogi daji na yang ani horong dang mone ngasogi semba yakbuche ro dang ani tene sangje lamla dwe dang ani 간지 동네 아니 가지고 되듯이다 공사적이다 니 망보 쉬먹지 아니 나부터 경기열에와 아니 디시네 아니 게 는데라 축신쇼이 안티낭나 아니 나라한테 인지 개베디 아니 인게디 맞죠 한테 전에도 가서 니에 단도 subscribe 나라 다 보바케라 메르와 아니 네데낭라 보바다 인지 당 네팔리 영유 아니 잉글리시 인지 인게디 camera 안테네 상마이 켄디기레와 아니 니에 삼발라 단다 나랑 기타 네팔리 로바 인지 로바 카시 공사쇼나 경기 요마레스미도 단다 카시 점직 안 디치는 얘기다 위도 땅 안 되신다 인지도 잡 되시기요 अनि ओके सो नमस्ते सबैजनालाई आज चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई एकदम हाम्रो टिबेटनको एकदम आज महा फेस्टिभल है चाड आज चाहिँ दलाई लामाको बर्थडे हो जन्मदिन हो अनि त्यसको लागि अब खास गरी यो जन्मदिनमा यो टिबेटन हाम्रो केमको टिबेटन मान्छे र हाम्रो लामाहरू हामी सबै ग्रुप गरेर एउटा सेलिब्रेट गर्थ्यो तर यो साल चाहिँ अब लकडाउन अनि कोरोना भाइरसले गरेर अहिले सेलिब्रेट गर्न पाएन अनि म आज तपाईहरुलाई के देखाउन चाहन्छु भने उहाँ दलाई लामाले यो भिडियोहरु छ मैले त्यो सानो क्लिकहरु कपी गरेर मैले अहिले म यसमा हाल्दै छु अनि त्यसपछि फोटोहरु पनि छ अनि हजुरहरुलाई मन परोस् अनि मन पर्यो भने हजुरहरुले पनि यहाँ दलाई लामा उहाँलाई दलाई लामा ज्यूलाई अनि हजुर कोहीले चिन्नुहुन्छ होला कोहीले चिन्दैन होला मेरो विचारमा अनि त्यही भएर हजुरहरुले मैले यहाँ फोटो र भिडियोहरु शेयर गरेछु स्पेशली हजुरहरुको नै हो अनि हजुरहरुलाई पनि उहाँलाई ह्यापी बर्थडे भनेर कमेन्ट पनि लेख्नु होला अनि मन पर्यो भने मेरो भिडियोहरु पनि शेयर गरिदिनु तपाईहरुको साथीहरु सबैलाई अनि मैले डिस्क्रिप्सनमा मैले 2 इयर्स बिफोरको हामी कसरी सेलिब्रेट गर्छ त्यो भिडियो पनि मैले यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्सनमा म शेयर गर्छु अनि त्यो हेर्नु र अनि एकदम रमाइलो हुन्छ यो मेरो महा चाड चाहिँ यो टिबेटन भित्रमा चाहिँ उनीहरुको फेस्टिभल धेरै छ फेस्टिभल मेन फेस्टिभलमा म मन पर्ने फेस्टिभल भनेपछि यो अहिले दलाई लामाको यो बर्थडे चाहिँ हो यो फेस्टिभल एकदम रमाइलो हुन्छ सबैलाई तर अहिले कोरोना भाइरसले लकडाउनले गरेर मनाउन पाएन आफ्नै आफ्नै बसिरहने हो अनि त्यही भएर म आज स्पेशली सब्स्क्राइबर हजुरहरुको लागि यहाँ आएछु अनि उहाँलाई पनि एकदम विश गरेर अनि सबैजनालाई अनि थ्यांक यू अनि विश गर्ने चाहिँ नभुल्नु होला Okay, so that's all and thank you so much who watching still my video and then hope you like this video and some the photos and I'm going to share you. So if you like my video, so please don't forget to like, share, comments too and also share to your friends also. Okay, and bye bye and once again happy birthday His Holiness our great Tibet Lama His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Jai Buddha.
Indeed, I am very, very happy and great honor to talk one of my old friend and spiritual friend. So I really happy having this opportunity. Although physically we say distance, but mentally we always together. I always consider you as an elder spiritual brother. So naturally now getting older, but your spirit remain generation to generation. I myself, you see, till my death, I carry your spirit. And then one occasion, our meeting at Dharmsala, you mentioned as a believer of God. So you, after death, ready to go heaven. I am, according to Christianity, I am not a believer. So Dalai Lama go something different place.
I am very glad, obviously, to be in touch with my dear friend, His Holiness, and to see him looking so well. Yes, he looks like he's on top of the world.
According my trusted friend, including doctor, you see, they suggest should take this injection. So, in order to prevent some serious problem, you see, this injection is very, very helpful, very good. So, those other patient also you see should take you see this injection for greater benefit. So that's very important. So I took that. So I want to share. More people should have courage to take this injection. This blue planet is only our home. Next 1 decade or 2 decades, I will go. On moon also some water, but you see, we try to settle there, impossible. Mars, these stars remain in sky, in blue sky. It's nice. If we go there, impossible. In India, vegetarianism in 1,000 years. In the West, you see, too much eat meat. Not only is it a question of a sense of sort of love these animals, but itself, you see, very bad for ecology. Of course, we Tibetan also a non-vegetarian, but we decided most of our monastic institution now stop serving meat. For a health viewpoint also, vegetarian is very, very suitable, very good. Coming generation, they should think the pleasant planet, blue planet, is only our home.
Khô thu chi Tham cha ki su